Hello students, we will study about the land degradation and conservation measures. We have shared our land with the past generations and will have to do so with the future generations too. What does it mean? It means that our ancestors have been living on the land, on the same land we are living, and our future generation will also be living on the same land too. As we know that 95% of our basic needs for food, shelter and clothing are obtained from land. All the food that we get, all the minerals, all the plants, trees, they all are there on the land, or we get it from the land. So human activities have not only brought about degradation of land but have also aggravated the pace of natural forces to cause damage to land. It means all the human activities are degrading the or damaging the land day by day. At present, about 130 million hectare of degraded land is in India, and 56% of it is water eroded area, and rest is affected by saline and alkaline deposits. Some human activities such as deforestation, overgrazing, mining and quarrying too have contributed significantly in land degradation. It means that when we are carrying out mining activity, at that time, after the excavation work is completed, we leave the pits untreated, we leave them as it is. Like we have to study in which state which type of land degradation activities are being present, such as Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh and Odisha. There is deforestation due to mining. Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, overgrazing. Punjab, Haryana, over irrigation and waterlogging. These are the activities that increase the salinity or alkalinity in the soil. Now you will read it from the book. Read it 2 to 3 times to understand it. Now how to solve these problems of land degradation is must to be understood. Afforestation means planting of trees, enhancing foresting, proper management of grazing, planting of shelter belts of plants. Shelter belts means near the boundary of the agricultural field, you have to plant the plants. Control on overgrazing. What happens due to overgrazing? The roots come out and it causes the soil erosion. Sand dunes, stabilizing of the sand dunes by growing thorny bushes. Proper management of wasteland. Control of mining activities. Proper discharge and disposal of industrial effluents and waste after treatment are the some solutions to the problem.